Hello bachcho, let us read the question. The capacitance of a capacitor is 6 into 10 to the power of minus 6 farad. It is connected to a 200 volt cell. The energy released on discharging it fully will be option A 0.12 joules, option B 0.24 joules, option C 0.6 joules, option D 12 joules. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है energy stored in a capacitor. Energy stored in a capacitor. So what is energy stored in the capacitor? It is nothing but the electrical potential energy of the capacitor. Electrical potential energy of the capacitor को हम energy stored in the capacitor कहते हैं. So this electrical potential energy is given by, so we will denote it with a capital U. उसको हम लिखेंगे half C capital C into V squared. तो यहाँ पे C है capacitance of the capacitor and V is the voltage. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए जो डेटा क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं उसको हम नोट करेंगे. गिवन capacitance of the capacitor C is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of minus 6 farad. Voltage of the cell V is given to be 200 volts. अब क्योंकि कैपेसिटर फुल्ली डिस्चार्ज हो रहा है, so the energy released will become equal to total energy stored by the capacitor. So therefore हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि energy released is equal to U is equal to half C V squared. Therefore U is equal to, अभी C और V का वैल्यूज़ को हम सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. This is 6 into 10 to the power of minus 6 farad into 200 squared. So this will become U is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 4 into 10 to the power of 4. 200 स्क्वायर को मैं 4 into 10 to the power of 4 लिखी हूँ. Therefore U is equal to 12 into 10 to the power of minus 2 joules, या फिर हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि U is equal to 0.12 joules. तो अभी हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शन मार्क करेंगे. So the energy released on discharging it fully will be, the correct answer to this question is option A 0.12 joules. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.